שלום לכולם, תודה רבה על כל הלייקים והתגובות והתמיכה בחודשים האחרונים. את הסרטון הזה אני עושה קודם כל בשביל להגיד תודה רבה לכולם. תמשיכו ככה, זה מאוד מקדם את הערוץ, זה חשוב מאוד. ככה אנשים חדשים נחשפים למידע ולתוכן. רציתי גם לעדכן אתכם שהסרטון הבא שאני מקליט זה סרטון to-do list, איך לבנות to-do list ב-PHP בדף. אנחנו נעשה את זה עם בסיס נתונים וטפסים, עם פעולות של יצירה, עריכה ומחיקה. בנוסף, אני רוצה לצרף פה בסרטון הזה עוד סרטון קצר שערכתי והכנתי. אני חושב להכין את הקורס הזה שאני עושה לדף PHP גם באנגלית, שבעצם כל העולם יוכל להיחשף לזה. אני רוצה שתראו ותגידו לי מה אתם חושבים על זה, ואם זה כיוון טוב. אז יאללה, לסרטון.
Welcome to DAF Framework Tutorial. Today, we are going to look at a fundamental concept in modern web development, organizing your user interface and preventing code duplication. Let's say you are building a standard web application, and you have two basic routes, a home page and an about page. Naturally, you want a navigation bar at the top of both. In traditional PHP development, developers often solve this by copying and pasting the exact same HTML block into every single page file. This is a bad practice. If you ever need to add a new link to your menu, you would have to manually update it across all your pages. Let's see how we solve this elegantly in DAF. The first step is to remove the duplicated code from the individual pages and move it into a centralized file called the main layout. By pasting the navbar HTML into the layout, every page that uses this layout will instantly inherit the menu. Now, if you look at your home and about files, they are completely clean, containing only the specific content meant for those pages. However, as your application grows, your main layout file can become too large and difficult to read. To maintain a clean architecture, we can take this a step further and turn the navbar into a dedicated, reusable component. To do this, open your terminal and type the command DAF create component. We will choose to place this in our components directory and name it navbar page. A new file is automatically generated for us. Now, take the navbar HTML out of the layout file and paste it directly into this new component file. Finally, we need to tell our layout how to use this new component. At the very top of your main layout file, add a standard PHP use statement to import the component's namespace. Once imported, DAF allows you to render the component using a simple custom tag. Just type the navbar tag with a closing slash exactly where you want the menu to appear. Save your files. When you test your application and navigate between the home and about pages, the navbar functions perfectly. You now have a clean layout, modular code, and a true server-side component architecture built entirely in PHP.